Hello, today we're talking about the TDA4 ecosystem, and we have a broad ecosystem of both software and hardware partners, and what I'm going to show you right now is an example of a hardware ecosystem partner called D3 Engineering. They've created what's called an RVP on the TDA4 platform. This is meant to be an in-vehicle development platform where our normal EVMs are for in-lab. And so this hardware, along with the TI EVM, will complete whether you're in lab or in vehicle. So this is the D3 Engineering RVP built on the TDA4 platform. There's the board side. It's got all the standard sensors for camera sensors, LiDAR sensors, radar sensors. It's got standard vehicle connection as well as Ethernet connection. And so you can take this box available today and put it in a vehicle and start your development in vehicle on the TDA4 platform. All right, for more information on the D3 RVP and other ecosystem partners, see the links below.